let's check out the new checklist feature in inTakt. So these are located under project settings, this gear up in the top right corner. This is a place where you can set up tags, units, all those types of things, and now checklists. So you can copy from a previous project, these checklists, or create your own. So I'm going to create here a pre-task checklist, and you can give a description what that checklist entails, but it's just dead simple to add new items. So let's say I'll add RFIs complete, submittals complete, um, other items, whatever we want to add to that list. Then I can click on Save Checklist. Boom, I've got that completed. I could also, create, for example, a post-task checklist. We have customers that like to do both things. Now you can do both. Let's see what type of items we want to put in here. Let's just say item 1, item 2, item 3. And I'm going to hit Save Checklist. So now I've got these two checklists. I can go back into my inTakt settings and let me go to the main phase of this project here. And let's say for this particular task, this overhead mechanical equipment, I want to go into the task properties and I want to add which checklist we want to turn on for this. So I'll do the pre and post checklist for this particular task. And maybe this overhead task, I'll come in here and I'll add just the pre-task list for some reason. But there's all sorts of possibilities and things you can do with it. When I hit save, it's going to apply it to all those particular tasks. So let's say I'm in this overhead mechanical task. I can go through now at the bottom of this list. It shows me by default how many of those items have been completed, and for each checklist, how many of those have been completed. But I can expand these out here. It's just as simple as checking off a list, which items are complete. It totals those sums up above and allows us to see, notice this task only had those types of checklists, and it's repeated for all the tasks that lie ahead. And so now as we're getting ready for the work, we can just go through and quickly look at the tasks and see, what I like to see things fully complete. Just looks nice. I can see which tasks have their checklist complete, even when they're in the collapsed summary state. So that's a little view at that. More to come, but have fun with checklists.